It's really much easier to fill holes when you turn the gas on. I'm sure nobody's ever done that before. Big old goober in there, but I can sand it out with my belt sander, so not too worried about it. Let's see if we can move this around a bit. Oh, this is a piece of 18 gauge that I'm putting in there. So, well, the sunlight's starting to fade, but I got her up in there for a test fit. So, that not too bad for a day's work. Got some patch in. Actually going to have to change a little bit, but it's not a big deal. You know, with the welder and the equipment, you can get her done. So, but nice to see a new part going to be fastened on the car soon. Well, take it easy, everyone. We'll talk to you later on. This is it for this episode. If you're finding the tips handy and helpful, we ask that you would like and subscribe, and come along with me on this journey as we get the 57 210 ready to go for Route 66. Take it easy.